What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you 6 different moves that I consider to be fundamental movements, and my question is to you, how many of them can you do with perfect form? What's up, guys? It's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Square Fitness, and this is the YouTube channel that helps you move better, unlock your performance, and become the best athlete as possible. So the basic movements, I'm not going to go over deep tutorials. I can put links up above, but you should be able to do a goblet squat with good open hips and without rounding your back. A squat is a fundamental movement. One thing I want you to think about is with your feet, never having your knees come in, but screwing your feet into the floor will help you open up your hips. Number 2, you should be able to hinge without any problem. I consider a kettlebell swing a fundamental movement that everyone should be able to do. But if you're doing this where your back is rounded and you're getting this Humpty Dumpty here, you don't have any of that right. So make sure your back is nice and in line, squeeze your glutes, and this should replicate a strong push-up position, which is next. Can you do a push-up without your butt sagging, with your shoulders rounded out? Can you get into a strong stack position where your core is supported, where you're here pushing away and having the chest go forward without this big arch in your back? Tuck that tail down, and what does good push-ups look like? So as we're already going through a couple of these movements, if you're struggling with any of these, comment down below, and we can send you some resources to you. So next one, I think everyone should be able to do. We got the squat, we got the hinge, we got push and pull. Can you do a solid pull-up with that hollow body position, feet out in front? Can you get full range of motion, locking out every time? Can you get quality pull-ups? So those are 4 primary movements, and then I got 2 more for you. If you're new around here, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because we put out content all the time to help you unlock your performance. So like this video, be sure to subscribe, and let's get straight into the next one. The hollow body. So hollow body, this core business will directly correlate to the goblet squat, to the pull-up, to the push-up, but a lot of people can't do this fundamental movement. That's where we get our back, and we get into this position here. But so many people, when they get to that position, come over to the side, they got this back arch, and they're here. This is no good for your core. It actually puts more pressure on your back. So can you tuck and roll your pelvis? Now my back is flat. Can you get here? If you're struggling with that, you need to check out ksquaredfitness.com, because we have courses that'll teach you how to get better and improve that position. Last one for you, the king of all core exercises, the L-sit. Now this one I don't expect most people to do because it is a very challenging exercise, but I want you to think about, not everyone has these guys too. You can stack up a couple of boxes. You could stack up, I could get in between my weights here, but what we're trying to do is get this strong toes above hips position and be able to hold there. That's very, very challenging. Most people will start with something like this, a tuck hold, intentionally making my knees stay close together. These last 2, hollow body and L-sit, isometric holds, will really unlock your performance. They'll help you squat better. They'll help you perform deadlifts without pain because you're strengthening your trunk. All this other stuff, make sure that you move well first. You guys keep training hard. And like I said, if you're new around here, smash that subscribe button. Comment down below if there's a particular movement that you need help with. I'll send you some free resources. See you later.